Okay, we are doing for mod 7 synchronous counter. Then you have to checking for the mod 7. It will display from the truth table 0 to 6. I don't want to display 7. This is the present state and this is the next state. The next state is reset to after 6. The next clock pulse it will reset to 0. Using excitation table, we find outing for the input for JC, B and A flip-flop. We require 3 flip-flop to store 7 because 1, 1, 1 each bit to store 1, 1 flip-flop, then 3 flip-flop A, B, C. According to excitation table, I fill these input. Then I am find outing for the K-map for the each flip-flop value. JC is equal to QB, QA. KC is equal to QB. JB is equal to QA. KB is equal to QA plus QC and JA is equal to QB bar plus QC bar and QA is equal to 1. Once the K-map calculation is over, you have to design the circuit. For this circuit, A, B, C connected for all the 3 flip-flops simultaneously for the clock pulse, pin number 1, pin number 6, pin number 1. Next is you should be connect clear 3, 8, 3 connected to VCC, again preset 272 connected to VCC. Now the basic connection is over, connected to ground and VCC also the normal connection for all the 3 flip-flop, including these 7476. I require 2 more IC. One is 7408 for the AND gate. I required 1 more OR gate is 7432. That is also connected to your trainer kit. Totally I required 4 IC. For this diagram will be realized by using a hardware trainer kit for this one. This the first slot is 7476 first IC, realizing the flip-flop A and B. The second IC is 7476, realizing the flip-flop C. This is the AND gate 7408 and this is the OR gate. Let me start for the connection. First we do for the basic connection for the AND. That is a 14 pin IC, 7 is ground and you go for the 16. The 16 is for VCC. The AND gate is over. The same thing you have to do for the OR gate also. The OR gate is, this is also 14 pin IC, 7 is ground and you connected to 16 is VCC. Then you have to do for the 7476 also. The pin number 13 is, this is for the 14 pin IC, 16 pin IC. The 16 pin IC, pin number 13 is ground. Again pin number 5 is VCC. Do the basic connection. 13 is ground. 5 is VCC. The next we go for the clock. Pin number 1 is the clock. It should be connected to the pin number 1 to pin number 6. Again from the pin number 6 connected to the first one clock and I have to connect these things to external clock. You take the pin number 1 connected to the external clock. Clock is over. Now you go for the preset and clear. We'll do the preset. Pin number 2. Pin number 2 is connected to pin number 7. From the pin number 7 you connected to pin number 2. Pin number 7. Pin number 7 to pin number 2 of the next one. From these two you can connect it to VCC. Any VCC you connect. Either you can do like this or you can do separately. 2 and 7 connected to the same VCC and 2 will be connected to this third VCC. Or you can connect it all the 3 and directly connected to any one of the VCC. Now we are doing for the clear. Pin number 3 is connected to the first IC to pin number 8. Next pin number 8 will connect it to the pin number 3 of the second IC. From the second IC connected to VCC. This is the pin number 3 connected to the VCC. Any VCC you can connect, this one or this one. Both all VCC are same. Now the basic background is over. Now we have to connect for input for this. You can check the input for the JA. The input for the JA is QB and the JA is QB bar plus QC bar. QB bar plus QC bar is nothing but OR gate. I need a OR gate input. For the pin number 1 for the OR gate is QB bar. The QB bar is the first IC, the pin number 10. The QB bar is pin number 10. You take the pin number 10. Pin number 10 is connected to OR gate. Okay, next the input for this is QC bar. The QC bar is second IC. The second IC is pin number 14. Okay, you connected to pin number 14 of your second IC. This is connected to the second of OR gate. QB bar plus QC bar. You take the output line is 3. This is 3 is connected to JA. See, JA is OR gate of output. This one OR gate of output. QB bar plus QC bar. JA. What is the pin number? The pin number JA is pin number 4. That is over. JA is over. What is KA? KA calculation is 1. Because of that, it connected to VCC. KA pin is 16. That is connected to VCC. Okay, now the first flip-flop input is over. JA, KA is over. Then move on to the second flip-flop JB. What is JB? JB is equal to QA. QA is nothing but output of the first flip-flop. That is 15 pin. The 15 pin will be connected to JB. What is the pin number? Pin number 9. I am connected to QA. This JB is over. Then come to KB. What is KB? As per the formula, KB is equal to QA plus QC. Again you require OR gate. OR gate of pin number 4 is QA. QA is pin number 15. A is over. Then I require the second one. What is the pin number 5? Pin number 5 is QC. QC is output of the second flip-flop. That is pin number 14. The pin number QC is pin number 15. Pin number 15 is connected to this 5. You take the output from the OR gate as 6. This 6 is connected to where? KB. KB is what? The KB is, the pin number is 12. You connected the first IC for the 12. Now 9 JB is over, KB is also over. These two flip-flop is over. Move on to the third flip-flop. The third flip-flop is JC. JC input is AND gate. The AND gate input you can check QB plus QA. QB plus QA. You take the AND gate of the first one is QB. The QB is nothing but for the first IC second output. You can take the pin number 11. Pin number 11 is the QB. Next, what about QA? QA is the 15th pin of the first IC. You take QA. Then output of this is connected to JC. What is the JC? JC of pin number 4. Okay, what is KC? The KC is also KB. Only KB. KB is pin number 11. Pin number 11 is connected to second IC of pin number 16. Pin number 16. Now check, all the connection is over. What is left out? I want to show what is the output of QA, QB, QC. You take the line number from QA. The QA is the first IC. 15 is connected to QA. The second one is connected to what? 11. The pin number 11 is QB. The third one is second IC of 15. Second IC of 15 is connected to QC. Now you can check these output. If your power on, switch on the system, you can check these output. If you apply a clock, you can check mod 7 from 0 to 7. Okay, let me turn on your power. Okay. So once the connection is done, you can check your truth table for mod 7. The initially is 0 0. When I apply clock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because 7 mod 7, it should be reset to 0. Okay, thank you.